Hello everyone, thanks and welcome to use the Docodfont photo editing software. Today I will show you how to use our Docodfont photo editing software. This software can mainly realize the generation of dot matrix photos, custom new photos, and the creation of dot matrix pictures. First of all, I will show you how to create a new dot matrix photo library. Firstly, we need to change the language to English. We click the Earth logo and choose the system language to English and click the OK. OK, now the interface language is English now, and we want to create a new photo library. We first click the file and the new, and here we generate a photo. Firstly, you need to find a photo file. You want to create a photo library, you need to find the photo file first. This photo file you can use your language. I mean the photo file generally used by your customers used. Like if we can use the arrow. Here we choose that the arrow is very often used by people, I think. And we click the choose. We back to the desk and find the arrow. Okay, and click the open. Now you need the name the photo library. For example, we want to use the 16 doors photo library. We named it 16 multiply 16. And if you want to just one line, I mean the single door, the single doors, so we add a L. And this we don't need to choose, and it's okay if we don't choose it. And the size we choose the 16 multiply 16, and the photo we choose the light. However, if you want to create a photo library, use the double doors, you can choose the bloat. The characters in the library you created were more dark and more doors displayed, and you can choose this. But here we choose the light. Okay. And if you want to create a new photo library, you need to find the Unicode range. You need to choose the place of your characters located on where. For example, if you just use the English keyboard, you need to choose the basic landing. Okay, here and like this. I think it's okay. Another range is for another language, like the Japanese and the Korean. Chinese, you don't need to choose. But sometimes maybe you need to print a special character. Maybe you can add this one. Okay. I just make an example to you and click OK and click OK here. The characters will display on your interface of your software. Okay, you check this. In the page 0, you can find the characters all in the square, and you will find A, B, C, D. And these are all you need to use maybe in your printing. Okay. Anyway, you can check the page, in which page there has some characters in another page. We click the page 1, page 2. Like close, we can check this. We can check them. Okay. And then 3 and FF. This page, which are blue, means this place have characters in your photo libraries. If you finish it, if you finish it, and you can use the photo library in printing. You just need to download it into your printer. Okay. We close it, and we click file again and click save. Here it will inform you, make sure the file name, but you can modify it, and the save the load, which place you need to save. Here we click the desktop and click OK. Okay, now we back to the desktop. Okay, you will find here this FNT file was created by us just now. Okay. Okay, when you finish it, you just need to find this file and move it into your USB disk and download it into your printer. And when you create your print message, you just choose the photo photo file. You just choose this, and the print result will show like this. Okay. And when we close it, yes, and we open it again. Here I want to make an example. Use the crane. Okay. First we create a new photo library. For example, we choose the array and open it, and the name is the POR. Okay, 16. This time we use the 11. Multiply 11 and use the L. The size you choose the 11 multiply 11, but we don't have, so we can click here and input 11 and 11. And you need to find the range of the crayon in Unicode. Here we found it before. This is the range of crayon in Unicode. And this, so we open it and choose them. And 1D. Or it's a little more. And then 320, 323, here and here. Okay, we choose all of them. We find the range of crayon in the Unicode. We find all of them, and then we click OK, and then we click OK. It's working now. Okay, here is for the photo library for the crayon. Okay, these characters can be used in crayon keyword, so we find all of them, and we open the page management, and you can see that the characters are in this place. For example, we choose this. Okay. Here, you can find that these characters are all in crayon. And if you find any place you want to change, maybe this word, you think you maybe it need be added one dot, you can add it and click the save. Another time, next time you open it, it will display as you want. And when you finish the photo file corrected, photo file correction, you download it into your printer. It will print like your change like this. Okay, you just click here. We don't need to save it. Okay, so if you get this software and you want to create a beautiful or a perfect photo library in your printer, you need to open this page and find which characters you think is not so beautiful. You can modify it. Just double click it. Okay, and if we finished, we can click the file, click save, or just click the save logo. Okay, here we keep in the desktop. Okay, click OK. I just use the 11 dots for an example. If you need like the 7 dots, you need to print the message printed by 7 dots. You can just do like me just now. Just make the name to 7, multiply by maybe 5 or 6 dots. Okay. Okay. Secondly, I will demonstrate how to create a bitmap, or we can call it create a logo. A logo we want to print. Okay. We click the file. Also click the new and click the new picture. The new picture, and you must decide the size of the picture you want to print. For example, if you can insert 16, and the height we decide at 16. and click OK. Here you will go to the picture, and you can just click the empty place. It will add a black dot. Oh, here is the editing page. Okay, we can draw on this page like we draw a star or clean it. Okay, this is a star. Or if you feel the editing page is small, you can move it. Okay, it's bigger now. Let's try a star. Okay, and you click if you feel some place your drawing is not so good, you just move the mouse to this place and click the right key. Okay, to move it. Here we draw a star and we want to print the star, and you can move the place and keep the save. Okay, you can see this logo is what we just draw, and we click save and give a name to this logo file, like a star. Okay, and the file format is BMP. Also, we keep it on the desktop. Keep it. Okay. STA. Okay, start. And we click OK. Okay, let's back to our desktop. You will find the file, the picture file was created just now, and we can download it to our printer, and the printhead will print this logo. Okay. Okay, finally I will demonstrate how to preview the edited preview and edit the generated photo and the logo, or we call pictures we just now. Okay. For example, we want to preview and edit the photo library we just created, like the Korea. We open it and change the characters you think is not so perfect. Okay, and click save. Next time when you open the Creo file named Creo 11 multiply 11L, it will display like this, and the print result will as you changed. Okay, and the logo we click open. We back to here is the desktop again, but we don't find the star BMP file. We click here and choose the images BMP. It will display. Okay, and open it here. You can preview it, or if you double click this picture, you can also edit it. Okay, edit, make it more beautiful, and save it, and you can keep it and print the logo or the font will change that as you want, as you keep it. Okay, that's all.